it's
Yeah.
not bad, he's starting to get the,
I see it, happening.
Alright, one more shot. So the forward thing doesn't work to get upside down?
yeah, it does, but yeah.
I mean, it doesn't for me.
You guys.
But the sideways was easier, huh?
Yeah.
Now let's keep going and then try it again.
If
There.
you put both of your hands straight up, that's the easiest way to keep it upside down.
So now I know how much lesson you still.
Do you torture your passengers at all?
No, no.
Okay, then I will spin right. Well, out of curiosity, what are you ready to fly?
MD-80.
Alright.
It's a really nice airplane, but I think its days are over now.
But the Dreamliner's gonna take over for those, or?
Yeah. You know, actually, what I like on MD-80 is everything is mechanical pretty much. I mean, you have the computers, you can land automatically and things like that. But for example, flight controls, you have a tab on the aileron, let's say,
Yeah.
and you move that tab with cables and pulleys,
Yeah.
and that creates aerodynamical force, and the aerodynamical force moves the whole aileron. So you have an airplane which is 45 meters long, and you don't need any hydraulics to fly it.
So you're not a big fan of fly-by-wire style, huh?
Well, I mean, that's nice when everything is nice, but when things start going wrong, I don't like to start thinking like a computer engineer, you know?
Gotcha.
If you shut down this computer, then you must shut down the power supply to something else, and then you don't have, then the toilet doesn't work, you know? Because,
Whereas with the pulley and the spring system, you know, okay, this is down here,
Yeah.
this goes that way, maybe this is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and also, let's say, for the electricity, if we shut down the electricity completely, you still have the flight controls, you still have the engines, you have everything. If you shut down the hydraulics completely, you can lower the landing gear by gravity, you have accumulators for the brakes and for reversers, so you can shut down the entire hydraulic system, entire electrical system, and still fly. And on modern jets like Airbus, if you lose the electricity, you use the computers, you lose everything. You know, if you lose hydraulics, all the flight controls are operated by hydraulics, so again.
That's why KGB didn't like the French airlines.